Hi everyone, what's up? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be reviewing some phone cases and accessories that you're able to get in a variety of colors and styles. Want to find out more? I do. Let's do it together. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Kevin. Hey, do me a favor, like this video if you can, subscribe to these videos if you can, and turn on that notification bell if you can, and you'll know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Today's video is sponsored by Casekoo. We're talking phone cases that are going to protect your phone, protect your screen, and actually give you a little bit of a phone enhancement. You'll see what I'm talking about. That's actually pretty neat. The Casekoo Magic Stand Series Kushuk version cases for iPhone. The invisible Magic Stand design brings a better experience on hand, very stable in use, and supports multiple angles. With the strongest N52 magnets, these cases have more magnetic build than other cases with MagSafe ring. Available for iPhone 12, 13, and 14 series. The most functional case, the Magic Case series. The invisible stand enhances user's experience on hand. With the invisible Magic Stand design, the stand function is not visible, but there is a hidden stand on the back of the case, making it silky smooth and easy to carry around. The adjustable stand allows you to use it at a different angle, between 40 and 120 degrees, giving you the perfect angle for making videos, having calls at work, and watching recipes while cooking, among many other activities. You're getting a built-in 48 PCS magnet ring structure, arranged with Casekoo's array technology, making its magnesium stronger than others. Excellent charging performance, works on your MagSafe charger or QI certified charger. Well, I wanted to show everyone what Casekoo sent us to review. And we have these magic cases that are super light, incredibly durable, as you can see, and we have different colors that came with. Also, as you can see right here, here's a clear one. And there are more style and color choices on the Casekoo website, along with accessories like I've already mentioned. And what's really neat, I picked the black one. I have a black iPhone, an iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, it fits it like a glove, and all the controls and accessories are easily accessible on every side. The camera actually has an extra ring around, so if the phone drops, everything is protected. Very shock absorbent too. And check this out. Let's go down here. Isn't that neat? There are a couple things I really like about this. One of the things is that as you move this kickstand around, this magic kickstand as they call it, it can work for both vertical and horizontal. And you have different degrees, and it'll hold on all those different degrees. So that's actually pretty neat. And when you don't need it, so yeah. And you also get a polishing cloth with every case that you order, because you want to make sure that your camera lenses are nice and clear and sharp for your selfies. Everyone takes them. I guess I do too. So there you go. Only thing is that I like the black one on there, but now I kind of can't decide. Alright, this is going to be harder than I thought. And there you have it. If you want to find out more about these phone cases, how they're built, and how they can help you out, plus the accessories that go along with it, there is a link in the description below. Go ahead and give that a click. I'd like to thank Casekoo for sponsoring this video and sending us these phone cases. You can see all the different colors to choose from. I'm going to actually have that problem right now picking one for my phone. I'm partial to all of them, actually. I like the green, I like the clear, I like the blue, I like the black. Well, I'll figure it out. You don't need to worry about me. Well, maybe worry just a little bit. Once again, link in the description below to check out the phone cases, their construction, and the accessories. Please check it out. It's right down there. Once again, if you like this video, please give me a like. Yes, me personally, it's all about me. If you could also subscribe to these videos and turn on that notification bell, you will know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap, so you can get fantastic deals on the latest technology. That wraps it up for today. Once again, thank you, Casekoo. I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye.